Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. I'm really happy to have you with us today. If you are learning English and you want to speak confidently in real life, then this podcast is for you. Today's topic is very useful and very practical: English at the market. Almost everyone goes to the market. We buy vegetables, fruits, groceries, clothes, and many other things. But many learners feel shy or confused when they have to speak English at the market. Don't worry. After listening to this episode, you will know exactly what to say.
Yes, absolutely. This is real-life English, not book English. We will teach you simple sentences, common questions, and polite replies that you can use while shopping. Please listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences after us.
Let's start from the beginning. Imagine you are going to a market or a shop. The first step is greeting. You can say, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These small words make you sound polite and confident.
Now, after greeting, you need to ask for what you want. For example, if you are in a vegetable market, you can say, I want 1 kilo of potatoes. Can I get half a kilo of tomatoes, please? Please give me some onions. Notice one thing. Always say please. It makes your English polite.
Very good point. Now let's talk about asking the price. This is one of the most important questions. You can ask, how much is this? How much does it cost? What is the price of this? All these sentences are correct and very common.
The shopkeeper may reply like this. It's 50 rupees per kilo. It costs 100 rupees. It's very cheap. Now you can decide what to say next.
If the price is okay, you can say, okay, give me 1 kilo. That's fine, I'll take it. All right, please pack it. Simple and clear.
But sometimes the price is high. Then you can politely say, it's too expensive. Can you reduce the price? Is there any discount? These sentences are very useful.
Yes, and remember, be polite. English is not only about words, it's also about tone. If the shopkeeper agrees, you can say, okay, that's good. Thank you, I'll take it. If the shopkeeper does not agree, you can politely say, sorry, I don't want it. I'll check another shop. Maybe next time. This is respectful English.
Now let's talk about quantity. Very useful phrases are, I need 2 kilos. Just a little, please. That's enough. Please give me a little more.
Excellent. Now imagine you are buying fruits. You can say, are these apples fresh? These bananas look good. Please give me ripe mangoes. This makes your English more natural.
Good. Now let's talk about payment. You can say, how much is the total? Here you go. This is the money. And after paying, thank you.
The shopkeeper may say, thank you. Have a nice day. And you can reply, you too. Very simple, very polite.
Now let's practice a complete conversation. Customer, hello, how much are these tomatoes? Shopkeeper, they are 60 rupees per kilo. Customer, that's a little expensive. Can you reduce the price? Shopkeeper, okay, 50 rupees. Customer, all right, give me 1 kilo, please.
Perfect. This is exactly how real English sounds in daily life.
Now let's talk about confidence. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to try. Speak slowly. Use simple sentences.
Yes, you don't need big vocabulary. You need clear and simple English. Practice these sentences daily.
Dear listeners, now it's your turn. Pause this podcast. Practice speaking these lines loudly. Use them next time you go to the market.
And tell us in the comments, what do you usually buy from the market? Vegetables, fruits, groceries, clothes?
If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor. We post regular spoken English podcasts for daily life.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing.
See you in the next episode with another powerful English learning topic. Until then, take care. Goodbye.